Welcome to the vlog! Pasok! Restaurant to ni Joe Dear Joe. So... Pasok, pasok. Diba? Nai-stress ba? Hindi, wala kasing ticket on dito, mami, pa-uwi na tayo dadaan. Pasok kayo. Welcome to, to Tagaytay. Welcome to Tagaytay.
Naligaw kami.
Salamat sa pagpunta.
Salamat sa pagpunta.
Hoy, picture ka dyan.
Nag-picture niya siya dyan.
Put it like this, time. Hey, come on! Good morning, guys. Another day, another vlog. Alright, so for today's vlog, kasama ko yung cousins ko na balikbayan and si Tita Eva and with the family. Dito kami ngayon sa Tagaytay, sa Crosswinds para mag-breakfast. Alright, so mamamasyal kami dito. Kaso medyo maulan and yun. Challenging ngayon mamasyal kasi maulan pero kaya yan. Alright, maganda nga malamig yung panahon din para hindi mainit. Alright, see you! So dito kami ngayon sa Dear Joe. Alright, so yung dito kami magbe-breakfast. Maganda dito sa loob, so samahan niyo ako. Tutor ko kayo. Alright, so this is the open area. Gusto nyo alfresco dining. This is another coffee shop named Windmill. Okay. So, yan. Hindi pa namin na-try dyan. Pero mukha rin masarap naman. Alright. So, pasok tayo dito sa Dear Joe. Meron silang alfresco rin dito sa gilid. Gusto yung brand. Okay, papasok na tayo. Dito tayo mag-order. Yung menu nila. Ayan, pasta, sandwiches, breakfast, rice, mga shake, coffee. They also have ice cream, so gelato, and pastries. The indoor dining. Ito sila. Parents. Ito yung second floor. I think this second floor yata is bar. Sila picture. Wait lang. This is the bar. Ayan, bar to yata sa gabi. Ayan, siguro pag gabi dito, bar naman. O, TV. So, yun lang.
Yeah, I think we're gonna check out other food. Order daw kami kasi.
Suka. Para kanina.
Sa akin.
Baka matapon mo.
Kwarto si
Ba't ganyan nahihilo yung viewers? Sorry, Gago si Kelmo.
We're going upstairs. Yeah. Look, it's cool. So we're gonna play. We're gonna play bartender. No. We're just gonna set the camera and record whatever. Well, never mind. We forgot to say hi. So hi. Hi. There's a picture of a man. There's people outside that you can't see. And then they have a lantern. This place was named after my dad. I'm not gonna tell you because that's private information. But what shall we do with the camera? So next we're gonna go downstairs where everyone's eating. And then there's like pictures, and there's like thingy. So we're downstairs. Huh? My uncle has a YouTube channel. I don't know, but you can say hi. Okay.
You got? Okay, good. Thanks, guys. Say hi. All right.
And so you just stop. Here's hi. So, Grandma F. Grandma F. Grandma Eva, say hi. Okay, then never mind. There's okay, you can look at the drinks for a little bit. Okay, so now hi. Here's say hi. Okay. We're not allowed to go in here. Joe's Tavern. Wait, Joe's Tavern. Cold brew, Joe's Tavern. Food cake. Drink Happy Pack. we already got little white lies. Oh wait, you did this one. You did this one. We're gonna end the videos.
Pang my day.
Are we walking? Oh, doon tayo.
Pwede ba maglakad-lakad dito?
Oo! Bumili ako ng property dito, huwag kang mag-alala.
Doon.
Sabi ni ko daw, pwede ba maglakad-lakad dito? Huwag kang mag-alala, may property ako dito. Sige lang. Ayan, pwede ka dyan.
Kasi dito. Picture tayo.
Dulas ka dyan, ha? Yun doon, sa hagdan doon.
Diyan ma.
Dito tayo.
Masilap ka dyan.
May remembrance yung puno mo pinag.
Away ng lamok, naglagay ng off-screen. Ano? Ang tapan.
Sa ugali. Oo, laging mainit yung
Ganun daw talaga pag 40 na pataas eh, malinitin ng ulo. Hey, dito tayo ngayon sa Tagaytay Picnic Group. Tama sila. May sila ng taho.
For the vlog.
For the vlog daw.
For the vlog kahit masagasaan ng agay. Sakit. Kuya, mamaya nyo na ako dahil. Tapusin ko lang to. Tapusin ko lang.
Kaya nga pinapatabi tayo.
Uy, nauna ka na naman dyan, Enzo. Talaga kala mo siya turista.
Oter, kayo, Nicole.
How does it taste?
It's good.
Yeah.
It's warm, too. Mainit pa ba?
Sarap nung arnibal, no? The syrup.
Sige, try.
Taho, say taho.
Don't, ano ha, baka babahas.
Ever na-hear ko yan.
Taga dito daw pala yung Jowa ni Jay.
Kala ko ba Laguna?
Lapit daw dito.
Hindi niya makikita sa taas. Now you buy Tagaytay. Now you buy Tagaytay shirt.
Ako, may Rodrigo, may Poriginal.
You should try that
That's your Christmas thing.
Wait, that's like a...
Yan. Tagaytay kami. Kaso maulam.
Masarap pagkain dito.
Ha? Tourist na tourist ha?
Kaya nga.
Tourist na tourist ka boy? Paano-ano ka? Turista kayo?
Oo.
Ay, airplane na!
Force? Oh yeah, Air Force. Quincy, look, they're playing badminton. Quincy, they're playing badminton.
Strawberry po, strawberry o regular po.
Ayaw ni Quincy ng taho?
Line.
Hey, it's too high.
But I'm not afraid of heights. I'm not scared of heights.
I'm not scared of heights.
How do you? I'm not scared of heights.
Okay, huwag mong hawakan yung ano ko. Careful, Choy, ha?
I saw people going
Could drink it. He doesn't want to drink it. Kasi, hindi pa kami nasa counter. Sabi ko, Nes, you can drink it.
Hello? Oh, good afternoon. Dito kami ngayon sa Sky Ranch. Ayan, dito kami ngayon. Nagra-rides yung mga bata. Ay, sa-video ko sa inyo to. Alright? Sky Ranch. CR box. Okay, panoorin nyo kami. Samahan mo kami. Bye-bye. Maganda yun, yun yung mas mahaba. Wala yung dulo. Tapos. Wala, umaatras. Lagyan na vertigo. Umaatras yun. Paangal yung gulong eh. No, please. Please. Sabi na siya. Who's the guy in seat number 6? They want one more. One more round. You come with Enzo.
Magba-Vikings nga sila eh.
Gusto pa daw nila eh.
There's another roller coaster there.
You wanna try the other rides?
There's another roller coaster.
Try the Vikings?
Okay, let's try the other rides.
Vikings.
I'm sure you want to go.
Ikaw? You can do it, Ice! You can do it! Wow! Go, Ice! One more! Yay! One last! Wow! Ayun na, tapos na! Go guys! Ano? Kaya pa?
Kaya pa?
Ha?
Did you
How was
hear
it?
me screaming burning flies?
Nice. Sapa.
Oh, sapa more!
Burning flies cooking.
Wait. Ala. Wait,
Oh.
relax. May picture doon. Hindi sa demo. Tingnan nyo.
JJ.
Atras, Jay! Turn!
Hey, tumirik na yung isa doon.
Yan! Go!
May sariling kalaban ng isa, oh, eh, no?
Oh, galing na ito ah.
Paikot-ikot eh. Si Jay, may sariling kalaban si Jay. Apat na nga lang. Yung isa sana.
Okay.
Good?
Everyone is running. Yeah.
Oh.
Next, we're gonna go on that.
Gusto mo yun? Talaga.
Ah.
I'll gonna buy you a ticket. You and our dad. Gusto pa ba ito?
Wow!
Vertigo.
Hey, bye-bye!
Hey guys. Hey guys, good afternoon. So, dito naman kami ngayon sa Calle Ruega sa Cavite. Right? So, bili lang kami ng kandila tsaka mag-pray and then we'll go up for lunch. Right? Samahan niyo kami. Next.
Sanay.
Next.
This one, oh.
Tita, basahin mo muna, tita. Three times.
Gulong mo na. Ikaw, ano na yun?
Tinatanong nga tayo kung gusto natin doon sa may banda. Sabi ko doon na lang sa may aircon.
Magandang beses mo.
Siyempre dapat kay Tita Eva special pagkakain. Dito dapat sa magandang lugar. Hindi pwedeng ano. Kaya sara ko tita para sa'yo. Restroom. Here. Hello ate, kuya. Ako po yung tumatawag kanina. 17, Denny Di Guzman. Mamaya na, teka lang. Hintay mo muna. Kain muna tayo, tapos magpapakain tayo ng duck. Mamaya na, wala pa yung ducks, oh. Nakakulong pa. Mamaya, kakain muna tayo, tapos pupuntahan natin yung ducks, okay? Okay? Doon. Yo, kay mami. Ayun, oh, sila mami. Ano, Mamsi? Ano masasabi mo? Philip ka na ba?
Yan, nasa ano ka pala, papa-order ka na.
Order na lang si Daddy Alonso.
Nandun si Queen si ate. Anong Kuya Joe?
Must be nice here and the night with the lights.
Before, may mga nagda-dine dyan. Pwede kang kumain dyan.
Look at this. This would be nice.
Well, we've been sharing that thing too. I think they're looking at the animals. But he brought his backpack. He need to bring his backpack.
Dito, pag ganun.
What?
Dun.
Cooler here nga.
Diba?
Yeah, the water's down there.
Doon na water.
Oh, pero the air's probably coming out.
Iniba nila.
That's what I was just saying because of the lights. The lights on the tree.
You could request here a coffee ticket. Yung may mga muffins sa cake. Then
Oh,
they will
like
set it up.
like a tea party.
Afternoon tea.
Oh, nice.
I wonder what
They should have made it a resort or like how a cabin.
Oh. Actually, yun meron eh.
go see the horses. Andyan.
Where's Otep? I thought he was walking with us.
Hindi nila pinakawalan yung mga duck, sayang. Para magpakain. Baka nag-coffee yard kay
Wait, where's
That's what I mean. They said they're gonna go walk.
I don't know. Baka nandun na sila.
Yeah, I think so.
I think so, baka nandun na sila.
Iba yung grass dito.
Carabao grass, we call it.
My cousin, my dad's, yung parang pamilya, like my dad's, they have grass like this in their yard.
Ito kasi less maintenance.
Even in Hawaii, it's like that.
Wala pa, hindi ba? Ano ba yung grass niyo? Bermuda?
It's like, yeah.
No,
Hirap-hirap, ano na?
it's not Bermuda grass is expensive, nice, like
So like they're like the thin grass.
no, this is more tropical. Or like, you know, the one over there. Yeah.
This one is less maintenance, brother.
We just have to cut it. Yeah, go through it. Beautiful. Maginamos ka kanyang mo.
Ang plan ko dito, sa next anniversary namin yung siguro 2029, 30th anniversary namin. Yan na kami ng vows.
Already?
So, magre-renew kami ng vows. Doon kami mag-church, sa Calirero, Piteros, so yung harap pa dyan.
What year is that?
2029. Tapos dito, pwede mag-book.
Ayun na, naririnig ko na. Ha?
That's why Engars always tell us to them. Yan naman, ito na isa. Teng.
Hindi.
Wala na nga yung duck.
Ganon din si...
Wala na yung ducks, mami.
Ganon din si Quincy sa ate at kuya niya. He'll play with ate. Tapos kung may games yung kuya niya, ikaw naman sa kuya niya. Magagalit din siya.
Pero dito, mas kumanda ngayon.
Quince!
Papakain sila doon.
Hey, don't touch! Baga bawal.
No, it's for feeding.
Papaya. Yan?
Which one? This one, the small one.
Is that thing a papaya tree?
No, that one is not living
We're going to see the sheep.
Okay.
Again. Papaya, papaya, papaya. Papaya, papaya, papaya. Papaya. See you later.
Ouch, that's my butt. That's my butt again. You guys just... Hey, baka magkasakitan kayo. Stop. You might hurt it. Stop na, Enzo. Shh. Quit it. Ngayon, nagtatap lang, naglalaro ng tap ng puwet. Tama na. Enough na, ha? May nare-record ka sa video. Shh. Ayun, o. Pupuntahan nyo.
I didn't get it earlier. It was cloudy.
Tawa mo muna, mami. Baka mag-check-in ako.
Magkano ba? 720?
Hindi, 290 lang.
So 70.
Very, very ano lang yung
I swear to my ankles, it's like small. Right? What is that?
Magbubuk na lang ng hotel.
And so, not too near to you get one chair.
You give space to Quincy kasi.
Yun na.
Give space to Quincy. Kaya kaya naiirita isa.
Basal bago kakain.
Mother sa
Kinakayan mo na totas na to. Share lang, hindi na kaya.
Sino nag-fishing chairs?
Si JJ.
Grabe.
Grabe talaga appetite ni Jay, no? Ano pa lang, minuto pa lang yung Jay, ah. Laki ba lang nakahan ni Jay?
Don't mix it up.
So pretty.
Ang ganda ng creme brulee. This one. Yan, like it.
Layo mo siya.
I got one more.
You got lemonade in it? What? Or lemon tea? Lemon tea.
Tikman natin na portion. Ayan.
Sige, ito sa
That's the
akin.
ano. Portion.
Order yung buong ano yun.
Oh, yan.
Oo.
Habang din yung nagagamit yung pagkarang nyo. Let's. Uy, andito pala yung ano. Ayan. Ako ay ako niyang tita creme brulee.
Share na lang tayo.
Yeah, share tayo dito. Ano to? Chocolate yung nasa gilid.
Strawberry.
Sirain.
Huwag mo na lagyan ng cream. Huwag na may cream.
Really?
Ayun, tanggal uma yan.
Yung cream?
Before? Wala.
Hindi, okay lang. Masyado ka na.
Matatanggal kasi yung lasa ng pag may cream.
Ano na?
Kumain ko lang dyan. Hinihintay kayo eh.
Growing kid din. Growing kid.
Ano, chocolate mousse?
May mint talaga yun. Ice cream? Parang ice cream.
Is that ice cream?
Parang ice cream.
Mousse nga eh, sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Pang hair.
Sabi ko, bigyan nyo nga tubig to. Dadaldal nitong mga to eh.
Yeah.
Kaya parang ice cream.
No, I'll wait with my coffee.
I know. I want.
Dip the fries and
Pulo cream eh.
Hindi, kumuha ka ulit. Ay,
Yeah. Yung creme brulee. Ayoko na may cream.
baka meron. Baka.
ano mo yung sinulong mo na
Alam mo yung creme brulee is egg pie with sugar on top and the
not the egg pie, the
I know, pero custard. Oh, egg whites.
But I want it more burned.
Oh.
Not like this na parang natakot.
Manahimik, low battery nga lahat.
I know.
Manahimik kasi kaka-cellphone.
Ayun nga, cellphone kayo ng cellphone.
Ano ba yung cellphone ba?
Cellphone ng cellphone.
Kaka-cellphone nyo yan. Dami mo ba?
Ano meron? Si tita eh. Mas maano pa si tita, mauna pa mag ano eh, mag
Stories.
stories eh.
Si siya kompleto.
Cellphone mo yan.
May social media manager eh.
Ay, may tiga po ba eh.
She has more pictures than me.
Ano pa ang ano? Saan ang purpose no?
I don't have any.
Anong you don't have any? You have one. Fairness, yung chocolate mousse masarap. Pinost mo rin.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Malata.
My dad will do before I know.
That's why nung nag-Starbucks kami kailan lang.
Kailan?
Nung kailan ba yun? Yung sabi kong, akala ko triple mocha yung cake. Sabi niya mousse daw. Tapos sabi ko, ay ayoko. Kasi para akong kumakain ng
Iba yung
ano.
mousse.
Ano gusto mo?
The blueberry.
Yung chocolate?
Hindi ko kasi
Wait for your ano.
Malapit ka.
Yeah, your stomach's
Huwag kang maligot to.
Nakita mo yung mga cake doon?
Saan po?
Huwag disturb yung mga
Ay, yung pinili ni Shari ng ano?
We didn't even get to eat it.
No, yung pudding. Ano ba yung pudding yun na?
Tiramisu.
Hindi mo laman, ano naman. Oo. Yung sashimi, nakailan ako nun ha.
Enzo?
Natakot na nga lang ako, baka ano.
Enzo?
Pero hindi naman ako na ano.
Saan?
sashimi.
Kila tita, yung sashimi, nag-sashimi sila eh. Ang dami kong nakain. Eh may dalang cake si Shari na tiramisu. Konti lang yung kinain namin na cake kasi sobrang busog na.
Kina tita ba yun o kina Pudi yun? Tiramisu. Di ba kina Pudi ba? Pudi, di ba?
Hindi, sashimi.
No,
nila,
crab.
ano,
Crab was at food.
Tsaka ribs.
The sashimi is bread cut salmon.
Yung dalawa doon.
And, yeah. And one more vanilla.
kaya-
You have vanilla, right?
Kay Jay Vanilla. Yung cookies and cream, yung isang...
Saan pumunta?
Vanilla milkshake po. Isa pa dito.
Saan yung cookies and cream?
Tatlo.
Hindi.
Wala pa.
Extra yan. The vanilla. Oh, there.
Hindi pa. Parating na. Out of the kitchen na.
Ay, wala nang cookies and cream.
No. Oh, iyak yan.
Vanilla lang.
Oh, iyak yan.
Sabihin na iyak. Iyak talaga.
Jay, kumain ka na, Jay.
Kanina, di ba,
Alam mo,
coming
pag
back?
gusto niya maging walang pake, talagang kahit mamatay ka dyan sa harapan niya, wala talagang pake yan. Pero pag maka-cleaning yan, tayo na halos lahat, sobrang cleaning niya.
He's like, what are you scared of? I said, I don't know. Heights?
Minsan ano yan, can you play with me? Tapos sabi ko, no, I'm working. Aww. What? Gagawin mo yan. Tapos magpe-play kami. Pag nananalo ko, ayaw niya, nagagalit siya.
Yeah.
Like what's
Ganun din yan.
Kasi sabihin niya, Daddy, are you going to office? Why? Sabi niya. Sabi niya, Daddy, I am going to office to pay for your kapritsohan.
Sabi niya, my parents is working. Alam mo ba? Matalis ng bata.
Walang gana sila. Siya wag ka mapapangako dyan. May bawal na ipangako mo sa kanya.
They don't like the apple.
Sige rin kanya yung ano. Alam niya.
Dapat apple pie.
They don't have apple.
No, I mean,
Buko
that's what
pie.
they're used to.
Alright, tapos na kami ngayon dito sa Angel Fields at Tagaytay. Tapos na kami mag-dinner. And we had coffee as well. Yun.
We also had milkshake.
Ayan si Quincy.
We had a lot of
So,
milkshake.
papaalam na tayo sa vlog. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye!